I wake up. It is cold. I see my breath. The room feels cool. I want a blanket. I pull it close. The blanket is soft. I do not want to move, but I must get up. Winter mornings are slow. I sit on the bed. I rub my hands. My fingers feel cold. I look outside. The window is white. Snow is everywhere. The trees are white. The ground is white. The roof is white. Winter is here. I smile a little. Snow looks pretty. Snow feels magical. I want hot tea. I go to the kitchen. I walk slowly. The floor is cold. I wear socks. Still, it feels cold. I turn on the light. The kitchen is quiet. I take a pot. I put water. I add tea. I add sugar. I add milk. I wait. The tea boils. I smell it. It smells good. The steam rises. I take a cup. I pour tea. I hold the cup. It feels warm. I like the heat. I take a sip. It feels so good. Hot tea in winter. Best feeling ever. I sit near the window. I look at the snow. Kids are outside. They play in snow. They throw snowballs. They laugh loudly. I smile again. I remember my childhood. I also played like this. Winter was fun. Winter is still fun. I see my neighbor. She clears her driveway. She has a shovel. Into snow is heavy. She works hard. Her dog runs around. The dog loves snow. It jumps. It rolls. It shakes. It looks happy. Winter makes dogs playful. I drink more tea. The cup is empty. I want breakfast. I open the fridge. I see eggs. I see butter. I see bread. I smile. I will make toast. Toast? Toast with butter. And fried eggs. Perfect for winter. I take bread. I put butter. I fry eggs. I make toast. The smell is nice. The kitchen feels warm. I sit to eat. The food is hot. I eat slowly. Each bite is tasty. I drink water. I finish breakfast. I feel better now. I hear the wind. It blows outside. The sound is strong. The trees move. The snow falls again. It is fresh snow. White and soft. It covers everything. Winter is powerful. I take my coat. I wear it. I wear gloves. I wear a hat. I wear boots. I open the door. Cold air hits me. I breathe deep. It feels sharp. But it feels good. Fresh air in winter. I step outside. The snow is deep. My boots sink. I walk slowly. The ground is soft. My steps make sound. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I look around. The street is white. The cars are covered. The houses look quiet. Smoke comes from chimneys. People stay inside, but I walk outside. I wave to my neighbor. She waves back. She smiles. She looks tired. Snow work is hard. I keep walking. The air feels heavy. I see a park. It is full of snow. No grass, only white. Kids play there. I walk to the park. The snow is fresh. My boots sink deep. The sound is crunchy. I see kids laughing. They run everywhere. One boy throws snow. It hits his friend. The friend laughs too. Nobody is angry. Snow fights are fun. I smile at them. They wave at me. I wave back. A girl shouts, "Come join us." I laugh and nod, but I keep walking. I only watch today. I sit on a bench. The bench is cold. Snow covers the seat. I brush it away. Still, it feels cold. I sit anyway. I like watching. The park looks alive. Snow makes people happy. I see a family. They pull a sled. A little boy sits. The father pulls hard. The boy screams with joy. The mother laughs. The baby claps. It is a warm scene. Even in cold hearts are warm. A dog runs past. It chases a stick. The stick falls in snow. The dog finds it. The dog shakes. Snow falls off. The owner laughs loudly. I laugh too. The sky looks gray. Clouds are heavy. More snow is coming. I can feel it. The air feels thick. Winter is endless. I take my phone. I take photos. Snowy trees. Snowy street. Happy faces. I want to remember this. I leave the park. I walk back home. The road is slippery. I walk slowly, careful steps. One wrong move, and I can fall. I see an old man. He walks with a cane. He looks careful too. I smile at him. He smiles back. We share a moment. Winter connects people. I reach my house. I take off boots. I take off hat. The house feels warm. I sit on the sofa. I breathe slowly. It feels good.